Hai Nora TV kuma kirogo ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga jetagwo Boni Wathuku.
Mũraia wa bũrũri wa China Zhang Kekun ni akinyĩtio mbaũ-inĩ thutha wa kũnyitwo nĩ maabitha rũhonge rwa kũrira nyamũ cia gĩthaka KWS kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Jomo Kenyatta akĩgeria gũkungia Queen cia Muthua. Kũratuĩka araikĩtie Muthua ũcio cuba-inĩ hamwe na kuohania ĩmwe tishu-inĩ mbere ya gũikio ngono. Mwaka-inĩ wa 2025 raia erĩ a bũrũri wa Belgium na erĩ a Kenya na Vietnam no manyitirwo na mĩthũa 5,000 area yathiaga bũrũri-inĩ o wa China.
His luggage, personal luggage, was searched, and within that luggage there was found 1,948 garden ants, 1,948 garden ants. Yes. How are these packed? It doesn't say there. Yes, Your Honor. They were packed in specialized test tubes. We have mentioned this in our notice of motion. They were packed in small specialized test tubes, which is now a departure from the syringes that we saw in 2025.
In view of this, I find it fit to grant the prayer sought. Therefore, I grant prayers 1 and 2. The respondent will be detained at Langata Police Station for 5 days. Okay, you stay for 5 days. 5 days and then you come back. And for the forensic exploitation of the iPhone and the MacBook. Mention will take place on the 17th of March to confirm compliance.